Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are doing a bookkeeping battle, and the battle is between Autoentry and Quickbooks. If you're tired of drowning in receipts and manual data entry, what if I told you this is a solution? Well, these two solutions are these two apps I just mentioned, and they can help you end the chaos. But which one is right for you? Today we are pitting the data extraction specialist called Autoentry against the accounting empire called Quickbooks. Let's settle this soon. Let's start with their superpower. You see, Autoentry is also called data extractor because it masters one thing, and that is turning paper into digital data. While QuickBooks is the all-in-one boss. It does your books, your taxes, your payroll, and your invoices too. I think it's becoming clear which we should go for. Now let's look at how it works. Autoentry snaps a pic of a receipt or a bill. Its AI grabs the details, sends it to your accounting software. While QuickBooks, you snap a pic inside QuickBooks. It reads it and files it instantly into your existing books. Let's look at who they're best for. Autoentry is best for small business owners and accountants who use other softwares like Sage but hate manual entry. While QuickBooks is best for small business owners who want everything, that is, from data entry to tax filing in a single powerful app. Now let's look at the bottom line. When it comes to Autoentry, it is the best specialist teammate for your finance stack, and QuickBooks is the undisputed heavyweight champion of all-in-one accounting. So think of it like this. Autoentry is a brilliant assistant who gathers all your information and hands it to you, perfectly sorted. While QuickBooks is the entire office that uses that information to run your entire financial operation. So one is a master of a single tax, the other is a master of everything. So who wins? If you need a powerful data sidekick for your current system, Autoentry is the winner. But if you want one app to rule your entire financial world, QuickBooks is the 2025 champion. Do you have stacks of receipts? Let me know your choice in the comments. Smash that like button if it saved you hours of data entry, and subscribe for more app showdowns that save you time and money. See you in the next one.